Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you 5 common mistakes that aspirants make in the quant section of the GMAT exam. Also wait till the end of this video because I'll be giving you a secret tip to understand the quant grading system a little bit better. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Common mistake number 1 is calculating each and everything by hand on maybe the physical whiteboard or the online whiteboard. Why do you have to calculate 25 into 4 by hand on any of the whiteboards? You should do that in your head. The time that you're putting in for that calculation can be used somewhere else. So I hope you realize that time is precious when it comes to the GMAT online exam, especially in the quant section. Common mistake number 2 that aspirants make while prepping for the quant section is that they buy the physical whiteboard days before the final exam. They don't have enough practice on the physical whiteboard, and when they go in for the final exam, they are confused how to use the physical whiteboard. When you practice at least 2 to 3 months using the physical whiteboard, you will understand that this calculation needs to be done in my head. This I don't really need to write on the physical whiteboard. That practice is very important because that will help you manage your time effectively. Also, when it comes to the online whiteboard, decide what you're going to write on the online whiteboard and what you're going to be doing on the physical whiteboard. Make sure that you're crystal clear on those decisions right now. Common mistake number 3 that aspirants commit all the time is directly going in for practice without knowing the basics. For example, if you're tackling a difficult probability problem while practicing, how are you going to crack it without knowing the basics of probability? So that is a major time waste that you're doing for your GMAT prep. First few weeks, utilize them to clear up your basics when it comes to the quant section, because once you're clear with your basics, then only your practice sessions will be effective. Common mistake number 4 is practicing less than 31 questions in one day, in one sitting. If you are practicing 5 questions every day for quant, how is that going to help you? Because 5 questions are not going to come for the final exam. 31 continuous quant questions are going to come for your GMAT exam in terms of the number of questions. If you're not practicing 31 questions every single day in one go, how are you going to sit for 31 questions in the final exam? Think about that. Common mistake number 5 is that reading a quant question more than 3 times. Let's go through it. The first time that you read a question is to understand that question. The second time that you read the question is to note down the values that you're going to use to crack that question. The third time reading the question is only to maybe clarify a particular value or to clarify how to solve it. If you need to read that question more than 3 times, trust me on this, it's better you mark a response and move ahead to the next question because your time is precious. Now it's the time for the hack that I promised you in terms of understanding the grading system when it comes to the quant section. So here it goes. If you get a probability question more than 2 to 3 times, trust me on this, you're going to get a score in quant which is from these values: 48, 49, 50, 51. This has worked for me, so I believe it will work for you as well. I have read in different forums that this is the case for many students out there, so yes, it works. So if you get a probability question 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, definitely you're getting a score in quant which is above 47. That's it guys from my end for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. You can check out my YouTube page because there are many videos when it comes to GMAT prep and your MBA applications. If this video has helped you in any way possible, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you for the next video. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and all the best for your prep.